like going alone. Now cool your suspicious jets. I know we pulled the wool over your naive eyes in the past, but the plain fact is we're all good and lost together.
Piga piga, you. I said what?
Dig it! This fiasco happened on my watch, so it's my duty to personally guide you back to port. Then you lonely lugs can rejoin all your buds.
Pikachu,
Whoa! Sounds like your tummies are on empty. Hey, you just leave it to good old Meow.
Can't do much on an empty stomach, so here.
Toot tweet.
Hey, it tastes good, so eat.
Toot tweet.
Huh? What are you doing? Man, you sure can be a stubborn Pokémon when you want to be.
Toot tweet.
Oh, come on, you are too. Of course. That explains why you didn't dodge when I told you back when we were battling with Paul.
2, 3.
I'm not really that hungry, but I wouldn't want to be rude either.
So, I guess it's your stomach that tells the truth.
Yeah, who asked you?
Oh, that stinks. Smelly.
Hey, Dada. I'm so hungry.
Is anybody else getting hungry?
No! How can you even think of food at a time like this?
So, not hungry, huh?
Luckily, I made some sandwiches before we left.
All right! Way to go, Brock!
Could be.
Sorry, guys. Let's go.
Stop! Not until I catch at least one!
Yeah, like I said.
Okay, Sanpei, what kind of training do we do next?
Now let me think. No, I'm as embarrassed as I can be.
Great minds think alike!
Man, my stomach's empty. I was spending all my time trying to figure out how I could get back inside. What am I going to do? Oh, so hungry. Oh, I need food. I can't even think straight.
Clement?
Huh?